It saddens me to announce that as of earlier this morning, we as a state have lost our first Hoosier to the coronavirus, COVID-19.
1 year ago today, Governor Eric Holcomb and other state health leaders announced Indiana's first COVID-related death. Her name, Roberta Shelton. Roberta was the first of now than 12,000 Hoosiers who have died with COVID-19. Our coverage of the virus over the past year has included telling many stories of the faces of COVID. We've asked our journalists to reflect on some of their most memorable stories of the past year. And for WRTV's Rafael Sanchez, hearing about Roberta's death was one of them. Rafael knew Roberta through her efforts to help raise money for the Abby and Libby Memorial Park to honor the girls killed in Delphi 4 years ago. He called her a woman of great compassion, spirited, community-oriented, and someone who was bound and determined to raise money for that park, even though she lived in Indianapolis and that park is just outside of Delphi.
She would call me and say, "Hey, I'm having a fundraiser. Are you going to be there?" "Yes, Roberta. Yes, Roberta." Every time Roberta would call, I would say, "Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am." And when the name came across the Associated Press about her first death, I thought, wow, already? And then when I saw the name, I thought, Roberta? My Roberta? No, can't be, right? Because early on we thought, this is not going to happen to us. This will be done by May. This will be done by June. Surely not in Indiana. So I thought, Roberta, my Roberta. Okay. So for me, COVID really became real from a professional, but also as a personal level, when I had to tell the Roberta Shelton story. And when I had to call her family and just talk about this amazing individual, I knew, okay, this is now hitting home in a big way, for me anyway.